I say as we rolling, I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Rider. Y'all might not be able to hit me right now. I'm on the side of the interstate. I'm about to do this super single tire, and this truck is way back there. See how close he is up to this barricade? I'm finna get him to pull over to the lane as far as he can. And I'm also get him to direct traffic to get these crazy people to get over as if they don't see nobody out here working. Let's get it, driver. Come on. Straighten it up. Yes, sir. You should be good. Let's see what, oh yeah, I got plenty of room now, boy. That's more than enough. We gonna knock this out. This joke a little ugly. It is gone. He said he just got that tire Thursday. I already see one of the problems. They ain't replaced that valve stem. Ain't no way he did this less than a week ago and that valve stem look like that. Now, I could be wrong, but we finna go on and knock him out. I'm gonna get him to get out there and like direct traffic for me. Yeah, man, if you can stand back there and just get them to get over. Oh yeah, you good, you good. Y'all see what it is, man. Excuse my truck. I got tires every which way. It done been a busy day. There she is, old Big Bertha. Let's get it, baby. This job officially starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Going to get my little workout in. Don't you go nowhere. That should be the perfect position for that. I guess I will just need one jack. I guess I'm only gonna need one jack after all. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I wanted to take this off and inspect that wheel, man, because the driver say he just put a tire on that Thursday and it's already blown out, not even a full week later. I ain't gonna need the hammer for this, them bars. And that soap water, baby, let's go. Somebody would call as soon as I pull. What was I? Oh, that's right. Let's get it. Gotta put him a new valve stem in there. And I'm gonna give him a little present. Put him a little gator cap on now. All my truck drivers know what that is. All my tire guys know what it is. Let's get to it though. Ooh, that joker. I know they didn't put a new valve stem in that. That joker won't even move, boy. Ain't no way they put a new valve stem in there. In 6 days and that joker stuck in there? That joker wouldn't even move. Look at that, broke off. It wouldn't even turn, it just broke. This is why you get what you pay for. A lot of these truck drivers be trying to find the cheapest way out. I don't know if he did this or not, but a lot of times they'll be like, nah, I'm just trying to get something to get by. They call a little joker on the side of the road or go to the cheapest shop they can find, and they get service like that. Joker put you a new tire on, don't even put you a valve stem in there. Now I gotta come out here and clean up after him. And you making me look bad in front of my people. I can't even get the valve stem out. Laziness. My poor little screwdriver, I'm probably about to break that. Let me grab the ply, man, see what we can do, dog. That joker stuck, boy. It won't move. I think it moved a little bit on that side. We might be cooking. We might be on the sun, y'all. I knew that was too good to be true. I knew it. Some just told me like, dang, boy. Y'all need to start calling these wannabe tire man, dog. I did what I had to do to get him out of there. Got him a new stem on there. I don't see any bends, any cracks in the wheel, nothing like that. Let's go on with Big Bertha. Come on down, baby. Don't be scared. Let me get some lube for you. My lube done got too thick. I need to add some water to it, but it's gonna do. Is there a yellow or red dot? No, baby, there is not. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that DOT number on the outside. Oh. 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 Well, you can tell I ain't got no manganese no more. After doing this for majority of my adult life, they do not exist. Let's get you on there. Just gonna get it on now little by little. Little by little, okay? I ain't gonna rush him. I ain't gonna fight with him, I'm gonna work with him. You're gonna do what I want you to do. Let me stomp you down in the back. Gosh. You're gonna do what I want you to do. Get on in there, boy. Watch him drop. Watch him drop. All right, y'all. I'm about to put this joker on, tighten it down and air it up. Take my fat self on to my next customer. Let's slide you on. I'm gonna come up just a little bit. Perfect. I'm gonna put that one on now. Let's get it. Let's get him aired up. This a new tire. It should seal up by itself. I'm gonna give it a little help. I ain't gonna use my tank or nothing. I'm gonna just use it, but shoot, I might do need to use my tank. No. She's sealing up by herself. All I did was grab my bar on the bottom, pull it up a little bit to seal it in on the bottom. It was already tight enough, it just gave it a little assistance. And there we have it. They're gonna let the jack down, make sure my shoulder's good. I don't wanna get poked by nothing. Do what you like, boss, boss, boss. Do what you like, la la, la la la. Super cool, and you can move.
And we'll take that tire with me. That kind of Thursday, I'm gonna come out and try to give them a replacement. Put one on the other side, man.
Sure, that'll work.
Do it to them. The tire only was $635 plus the road calls and on bounce, you know what I'm saying?
You said what now?
So the tire only was $635.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We got them good to go. I appreciate y'all for coming on this job with me. I'm about to sign off, man. I got more customers waiting. A success.